Congratulations, and welcome to the AFA Protective Systems family. We have put together this orientation video to briefly showcase our history, services, operations, and our company goals. History. AFA was established in 1873. We take pride in being the longest-running central station alarm company in the United States. AFA has grown from a regional central station monitoring company to a national provider of fire alarm and security services. In order to fully understand AFA, you need to understand our legacy. After the Great Chicago Fire and the Boston Fire of 1872, fire prevention and detection became a national issue. In response, William B. Watkins began designing fire sensors and monitoring systems. Mr. Watkins launched the Watkins Automatic Signal Telegraph Company, based in New York City. The company continued to grow, expanding its operations to Boston and the Philadelphia market. In 1899, the company changed its name to the Automatic Fire Alarm Company. In the early 1900s, AFA, Holmes, and the American District Telegraph Company accounted for 87% of the national market share. The Grinnell Company engineered a series of non-compete agreements between these three alarm companies. As a result, the United States Justice Department brought an antitrust action to break up the Grinnell Corporation. By 1968, AFA was again a freestanding entity. Shortly thereafter, Philip Kleinman took control of AFA with the mindset of protecting the company's customer base. AFA also added a wider range of building protection services, including security alarms, access control, and video surveillance. To better reflect this new vision while honoring its heritage, the Automatic Fire Alarm Company changed its name to AFA Protective Systems, Inc. In the 1990s, AFA expanded geographically. The company established new branches throughout the Northeast, Mid-Atlantic, and Southeast. In addition, AFA established its National Accounts Division to provide asset protection and life safety solutions to retail and commercial chain accounts throughout the United States. AFA is proud of its long history. Despite wars, depression, and recessions, AFA has continued to provide a stable environment for its employees and reliable service for its customers. Services. AFA's services keep buildings compliant with national and local fire alarm codes. Codes require commercial and industrial buildings to have a working fire alarm system. Additionally, fire alarm codes require fire alarms to be monitored 24/7 and inspected at least annually. Monitoring. At the core of AFA's operation are its UL-listed, FM-approved, and FDNY-approved central station facilities. AFA's primary central station in Syosset is staffed with trained operators who are certified to receive and respond to alarm conditions 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. AFA maintains multiple company-owned central stations with built-in redundancies to ensure uninterrupted levels of service. Inspection and maintenance. Fire alarm systems must be inspected, tested, and maintained regularly to be code compliant. AFA's inspectors periodically test and inspect fire alarm systems to comply with these codes and to ensure components are properly functioning. Installation. Our installation services provide a range of support, including custom design, permitting and city approvals, and complete system testing, all to ensure jurisdictional approval. While these fire protection services are at the core of AFA products, we also offer burglar alarms, video surveillance, and access control systems. Burglar alarms. Burglar alarm systems are a combination of devices designed to reduce the risk of burglary or unwanted intrusion by alerting the police. Video surveillance. Our video surveillance systems give customers the ability to observe any activity on their property even when they aren't there. Access control systems. AFA's access control systems help prevent unauthorized entry into a customer's facility. These systems allow customers to control who enters a facility and when. Geographical scope. AFA is headquartered in Syosset, New York. Our corporate headquarters handles accounting, human resources, IT, credit, legal, and marketing. The corporate office exists to service the branches throughout the company, allowing our branches to focus on servicing the customer and selling services. Our branch operations cover local markets up and down the East Coast. AFA operates in 5 distinct regions. Our New England territory is run out of our Boston office and covers our operations in Massachusetts, Rhode Island, and sometimes Vermont, New Hampshire, and Maine. New York is our largest branch and consists of 4 offices: New York Operations, which is in Long Island, New York Sales in Manhattan, Westchester, which covers upstate New York, and another branch in Connecticut. Our Mid-Atlantic region covers all areas from New Jersey to Virginia, which are run out of North Brunswick, New Jersey, Mount Laurel, New Jersey, and Baltimore, Maryland. We have branches in Fayetteville, North Carolina, and Charlotte, which cover the Carolinas. We have a branch in Atlanta, which covers the Georgia market. And we have branches in Orlando, Tampa, and Davie, Florida, which cover the Florida market. Our National Accounts Division provides the fire alarm and security services for dozens of large retail chains across the country. National Accounts operates out of Braintree, Massachusetts, and services its customers by utilizing branch operations and a nationwide network of subcontractors. Operations. AFA's branch operations are responsible for delivering fire alarm and security services to thousands of our customers. AFA's operations are the backbone of our organization. Operations managers. Operations managers oversee our branch operations. Their chief responsibility is to ensure execution of our services through project and service managers. Project managers. Our project managers and service managers are responsible for the direct oversight of all installation, service, and inspection jobs. Technicians. AFA's frontline employees are technicians who are tasked with completing the hands-on work involved with all our installation, inspection, and/or services. Sales. Sales is responsible for signing up new accounts to grow AFA's customer base and revenue. AFA generates 3 forms of revenue: recurring revenue, outright sales, and advanced sales. The term recurring revenue refers to money we receive from customers who have a contract for repeat services. These services are either monitoring, inspection, or maintenance of fire alarm or security systems. It is worth noting that recurring revenue is the most important revenue system to our company. The term outright sale refers to a one-time sale to a customer. This usually occurs in the form of selling an installation or just equipment. The term advanced sale is where we install and service a system at a customer's premises, but we retain ownership of the system. Contracts. As a fire and security company, our responsibility is to protect lives and property by reducing the risk of loss through our systems. AFA could have a lot of exposure in the event of a fire or a burglary. Therefore, we must protect ourselves by using legal language in our contracts. We require every customer to sign contracts in order to shield the company from liability. Every one of our contracts states at the very least: 1. What AFA as a company is responsible for and not responsible for. 2. What the customer is responsible for. 3. The duration of the agreement. 4. How much the customer will pay us. This must be agreed upon before we do business with anyone. Customers. AFA's primary customers are individuals who own, manage, or build facilities. This includes property managers, building owners, general contractors, and electrical contractors. While our customer base is primarily commercial, the types of facilities we protect varies greatly in size and complexity. Some examples include commercial buildings, hospitals, airports, government facilities, banks, industrial complexes, schools, and retail. Marketing. The AFA brand is over 145 years old and carries with it a rich history of pride and recognition. Therefore, AFA maintains specific guidelines which help retain the integrity and consistency of our brand. AFAP.com is the center hub of our efforts. We have a variety of marketing materials to help educate anyone interested in our services. One of the best ways we can promote the brand is through our employees. We have set up programs for employees to get paid for bringing new business to AFA. We encourage you to promote our brand to anyone you know. Company goals. Now that you know the basics of AFA, here are a few final words which will help you understand our company and help you to succeed. AFA's main goal is to build its recurring revenue, plain and simple. This is done in two ways. 1. Sales and operations, bringing in and signing up new customers. 2. AFA employees, working to retain our current customer base. AFA is special and distinct from other alarm companies. These are 3 differentiators we use to promote our brand. First, experience. No one has been providing fire and life safety services longer than AFA. We are the oldest company in the industry. The magic number is 1873. Second, responsiveness. We are in the fire and life safety business. Therefore, we always strive to be the most responsive. We all have email and mobile devices. Please make sure that you always get back to your customers and coworkers in a timely manner. They are counting on you. Third, integrity. We are a family-run business with family values. We try to treat our employees and our customers with respect, like they are family. We don't lie. We don't hide the bad news. We are honest and forthright so that we can work together to find solutions to any problem. Communication is key in any organization. It is important to communicate with your branch coworkers as well as our team up at corporate. At AFA, it is always better to ask for permission than to beg for forgiveness. This applies double when it comes to contracts. We are here to help. Everyone is just a phone call, text, or email away. So when in doubt, reach out. We hope you now have a better understanding of our organization. We are excited for you to become a part of our storied and proud legacy. Welcome to the AFA family.